Welcome. If you've ever been overwhelmed by messages in a busy Telegram group and wondered how to quickly find that one important message, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated way to search inside Telegram groups, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, navigate to the group chat where you want to search. This could be any group, whether it's for work, study, or just chatting with friends. Now look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on those 3 dots to open up more options for the group. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Search. This will bring up a search bar at the top of your screen, ready for you to type in your keywords. Next, enter what you're looking for in the search bar. It could be a specific word, a phrase, or even the name of a person who sent the message. As you type, Telegram will instantly start showing you results that match your search, highlighting the keywords in each message. You can tap on any result to jump straight to that message in the chat. This makes it incredibly easy to revisit important information, find shared links, or track down conversations from weeks or even months ago. And that's it. With these simple steps, opening Telegram, going to your group chat, tapping the 3 dots, selecting search, and entering your query, you can master searching in Telegram groups. No more endless scrolling or missing out on key messages. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends or anyone who might need a little help navigating Telegram. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.